I'm Chris Whitehurst. This is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode, I tackle a different term or concept from the world of real estate to help guide you through the journey. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notifications bell. There's a new one of these each week. This week, we're at episode 72, and we're talking about misrepresentation. Misrepresentation is a legal term for lying. If a real estate agent, buyer, or seller misstates facts, intentionally or unintentionally, they can be held liable for the mistake. Misrepresentation can take on a plethora of different forms. Gross exaggeration, misstatement of facts, or leaving out important details all could lead to litigation based on misrepresentation. Things such as square footage, previous damages, or something as simple as zoning laws and future build in the area can all be of areas of concern when it comes to facts about a home. Proceed with caution and make sure you are trusting your real estate professional to lead and guide you through the process. If you like these videos, there's a ton more of them on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media sites. Be sure to like and subscribe on each so you can stay plugged in and updated on all things real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.